Hi lovelies, welcome back to Market Show channels. If you are new on this channel, please, I would want you to get a seat and listen well. On this channel, if you know you're a content creator, you're a trainer like me, or you're just someone looking for real ways to earn passive income, especially if you're using just your smartphone, this video is for you. Today I'm sharing 3 powerful ways that ChatGPT has really helped me to build consistent income online without burning out. You can see sometimes I post 2 videos, 3 videos on different social media platforms, but I don't get that worn out. This is a disclaimer, guys. I'm not a financial guru. I'm not a financial consultant. I'm a lady that tries to share with you everything that is working for other people, even working for me, having tested them. And welcome back to this mind-blowing video. Let's dive in and see exactly how to really make money using ChatGPT. And there are these 3 ways that ChatGPT has helped me to make this passive income without any excuse. The first one is creating high-value video scripts. And when I'm talking scripts, I mean very fast, very accurate, and very competitive. Before ChatGPT, I used to spend planning, researching, and even writing content for my videos. I remember those days, you guys. It was a bit tiresome to the extent that it would be hard for me to make a video, since I would transcribe it with my hands, with my brain and everything. These training sessions would be very hard for me, but nevertheless I would do it. Now I just give ChatGPT my topic, I give it my bullets, I give it my frame, what exactly I want and what I'm researching about, and what I want to give the audience. I also give it my goals with objectives, and boom, I get high converting scripts ready in minutes, if not in seconds. This has helped me to upload more often. I know you can testify on this, that I upload oftenly, if not a video per day. There are 2, even 3 videos per day. This one is with the help of ChatGPT. And each video is packed with value. If you go to see my videos, I know they are not full of vibe. You know, most people like videos which are full of comedy, videos which are full of other things. That's what most audience want. But ours, my videos are full, packed with value because of ChatGPT. So more content is equal to more views, and more views is equal to more ad revenue. And it's where I get affiliate clicks, and even I'll get even more passive income working for me. So whenever I'm sleeping, you find with the help of ChatGPT, I'm getting money on my account. The second way, it has also helped me, and it can help you to create digital products and courses. Most people have used ChatGPT to do digital products and courses. When we're talking about digital products and courses, and as a trainer, you can use ChatGPT to build online ebooks. What do I mean online? It's like you can build online and even outlines for ebooks and even courses. You can even go ahead and even develop PowerPoint presentation. I did this, and most people are using it to turn this into sellable products. Here you can even go ahead, the moment you finish making them on ChatGPT, you go ahead and post them and host them on platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or even you can go to your WhatsApp local groups and post there. Without forgetting, you can put it on your WhatsApp status, and you will get direct messages asking how much they are, depending on the value that you have and your audience. Then when we go to talk about still this one, I will encourage you that, and once the product is out there, once you've made your ebooks, your courses, I'm telling you, they will keep making money for you without even you being live or you being like selling them at any time. Just make your books and put them on platforms. It's very true, and it's really beautiful. It will give you passive income without knowing that it is giving you passive income. You just invest in very few minutes, invest in your roadmap, and ChatGPT does the thing for you. The third one is about the way it has helped me in making my captions. It has helped me in even running videos. Sometimes I don't upload content because I feel stuck or uninspired, but now it's no longer an excuse. As I make this video, I just jumped out of the bed with the tiredness and sleep. I told ChatGPT to make for me a video, and boom, it gave for me. I came here and I decided to bring it to you. It's no longer excuse you people that I'm tired, because sometimes, I can never run out of any idea. If I feel I'm stuck, I'm on the wall, I come to ChatGPT, I ask about, because it knows my profile, it knows what I do, even the prompt I put matters a lot. So it gives me ideas without any excuse. With ChatGPT, I always have video ideas that are SEO optimized. They are trending, and the audience, they are focused on certain audience, especially comparing the niche I'm in. It even helps me to write my video description. This is what it has really offloaded me: the video description, the tags, the thumbnail. When I'm tired, even I tell it, please do for me this thumbnail. As even this video, it's the one that did this thumbnail on this video. This means that my videos reach more people. It can be for a smaller audience, but it will reach some people. And even it is recommended for more views and even for greater audience. And at the end, you find I'm earning some good amount of money. Whether it is through YouTube ads, whether it is through sponsorship. If you go to my email, request of volume, I have a very big volume of sponsorship. Is very, it's still there. But what to do? Sometimes you sit and say, should I take this or should I leave this? It can even help you in doing affiliate links and even promoting affiliate links. So if you are a creator, or you're a trainer, or you're just someone dreaming of financial freedom using online tools, please, ChatGPT is your secret weapon. Stop waiting, stop doubting, start creating value. And when I'm talking about value, I mean high-paying content. High-paying content, you can get it. It can be available for you, provided you use ChatGPT. There is no excuse anymore. Like that way, I no longer give any excuse, because I know they're at my disposal. If you know you've been inspired by this video or by this channel in particular, please, I would love you to go to the comment section, drop something for us. And also you can subscribe to get more digital income tips, and also how to grow your YouTube, how to make money with your smartphone, about AI tools, and even with the success in general with your gadgets. Thank you very much, you guys. Please drop a heart for me. It will encourage me to continue doing content and even researching for you. See you in another video. Bye bye.